let's say I have a sales field, I have a margin field. So let me go and hide this for now, right? So I'll just show you how this works, right? So I have a sales field, I have a margin field, and I've gone to conditional formatting, and then I've created a rule where we are highlighting sales field based on margins. So wherever the margin is negative, it's going to show a down arrow in red, and so forth. Then what I can do is, there is a feature called blend where I can go and insert and then blend two columns. And that's how I've created this third field called sales margin. So basically what it does is, it takes the sales field and puts it here, and then it takes the margin field and puts it here. So I'm going to get two items in a single column so that I can go and hide the original fields. Sorry, I need to hide the margin percentage, not the margin column. So I have sales, I have margin, and I have total customers, but then I've created a blended column. And remember the conditional formatting that I've applied to the original column here, right? So this has been applied to the sales column, right? The original sales field that we just hit, and where we said, based on margin percentage, you show a red down arrow if it's negative and a green up arrow if it's positive, right? Again, different kinds of, it kind of builds on top of conditional formatting to create interesting report formats, because you may think that, the margin percentage is not really important, right? In this case, the actual margins are more important, but if anybody wants to look at the margin percentage, you are just giving a context right below the sales figure.